guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how to apply eyeshadow and blend them all seamlessly. This is for anyone that is having trouble blending any type of eyeshadows that they have in their collection. Also, just to give you a makeup look too. This is what this video is all about. But the cool thing about it is that I featured this palette, the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, that I mentioned in my top 5 spring and summer eyeshadow palettes. You guys requested that I do some makeup looks on those palettes. Some of those palettes I already have tutorials on or videos on, so I will be sure to link those videos down below. But I did do a look on this before, but I just wanted to show you guys how using a huge palette like this with all these amazing colors, you don't have to have multiple palettes and get overwhelmed when doing your makeup and pulling your makeup out. So nevertheless, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this bronzy rose gold look using this palette. So if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you like makeup tutorials and how-to videos. And don't forget guys, I am currently hosting a beauty giveaway on my channel here. So the link for that video will be down below if you have not entered already. It will be open until the end of this month in May. So you guys can get an opportunity to enter that amazing beauty giveaway. But that is all the public service announcements that I have to make. If you want to see how I got this look and how to blend eyeshadows, then keep on watching. Well, since I'm always forgetting something, I'm going to go ahead and just use my concealer today as my eyeshadow base. And I'm going to set that with some powder. This is the bronzing powder that I normally would use, and I'm just going to set my eyes with this. I'm going to be using this one palette in this video because it has all of these amazing colors that you can choose from whatever eyeshadow look you want to do. There are a few matte, there are some mattes, there are some shimmers, bold bright colors, neutral colors, whichever you feel like doing that day. All those colors are in this palette. So that's why we're going to use this palette today. So the main brushes that you'll need for a typical eyeshadow look: to blend a color in your crease, to apply a color on your outer V, and in your all over your pretty much your lid, is pretty much eyeshadow brushes like this. So this one is a blending brush. Sorry if stuff is on it. This is a blending brush. This is my MAC 224 brush that you guys hear me talk about all the time. This is also a crease and blending brush. This is the Morphe 441 brush. And then I have a little smudger brush, flat type of brush. This is a BHCOSMETICS brush I got from a BHCOSMETICS brush set a while back. And then a flat brush to apply whatever color you decide to choose on your lid. This is an actually an e.l.f. concealer brush, but I use it for my lid. So as long as you have 4 typical brushes like this, or 3 brushes if you don't want to put a color on your bottom lash line, then you are good to go to do your eyeshadow look. So the first one that I'm going to go in with is my MAC 224 brush. If you are intimidated by a lot of colors like this, you can certainly get a smaller eyeshadow palette that has the colors that I'm going to mention for your basic transitional shades. So for my transitional shade, I'm going to go in with this color right here. This palette didn't have the colors on it, so you can pretty much go into any of these like orange type of shades for your transition if you want as a start off or beginner. So I'm just going to go in with that particular shade all in my crease. And to give yourself blendability and allow your colors to blend seamlessly, that is the purpose of a transition shade, so that it won't look choppy. And I tend to drag it down right here. This will give the illusion of your nose being a bit smaller without having to do a serious nose contour. So that's why I tend to drag it in a bit. Now that we have our transitional shade, you want to add some dimension, some depth to your eyeshadow look. I'm just going to do a simple look, hopefully, because I get so excited when I see this palette. I just want to do different colors, but Usually when you're doing your transitional shade and your outer V and crease color, you use a matte shade because that gives you the blend. Is like blended. I can't even, how do I want to describe it? It's blended more seamlessly when you put a shimmer shade on your lid. So that's why you go in with matte colors when you're doing this particular process of the eyeshadow look. So now I'm going to go in with a smaller blending brush, which I showed you, which is the Morphe M441 brush. And I'm going to go in with a, let's see. Actually, I'm going to go in with this brick color here. Just tapping a little on my brush. And I'm going to focus this. I'm going to focus this more so on the outer V area and place it there first. I'm going to place it there, build it up to what I want it to be. I'm going to place it there. And then I'm going to blend it upward. And by blending that upward, that's what's giving you your crease color and also blending in well with your transitional shade. So you see that we have our orange, whatever orange or neutral color we use on our transition shade, that is the first color. So it blended perfectly with whatever shade we're putting in our crease and on our outer V. And you could build this up to what you want it to be. There's nothing wrong with that. And because I have hooded eyelids, I tend to drag mine up a bit more. Now, taking that flat brush, we're gonna put a color on our lid, this empty space here. So for this particular look, I'm just gonna do a rose gold type of look. I'm gonna choose this color right here and put that all over my lid. Now, so that I can get more of an opaque color, more pigmented color, I am going to wet my shimmer shade. And also, wetting your shimmer type of glittery shades will also allow the shade to adhere a little bit better on your eyelid, depending on whatever it is that you have on your eyelid. And I'm just filling in that empty space. And dragging it down. I'm not like brushing it on. I'm patting it on, just simply patting it on, because we don't want too much fallout. If you already done your face like how I did, you just want to pat it on. You don't want to like brush it on. Now that we've done that, it looked a little harsh. So you want to go back in and blend that together so it can look more smooth, more seamless. So I'm going to take that blending brush that we used to put that color in the outer V, not taking any more product, and I'm just lightly going in windshield wiper motions. And this is going to blend everything together. Starting from the root, starting from the outer V and dragging it in. And that's just going to blend those harsh lines. I think I want to deepen my outer V's up, so I'm going to go in with this chocolatey brick red type of color, chocolatey brown color, this one here. And then going upward. So if you feel like you have a lot of fallout, you can just certainly wipe that all away. And that is the eye part. That's basically the eye part that we're gonna do for the top part. Here is where you can put on your lashes and all that jazz. But first, before we go to the eyelashes and mascara, I'm gonna do the bottom lash line. So taking that flat brush that I showed you guys before, I'm gonna go in using the same color. So starting off with the burgundy or brick color that we use on the outer V first. I'm gonna take that and drag that on the bottom lash line. And then we're going to go in with the mascara. And then if you want, you can put a brighter color in your inner tear duct, which is here, to brighten up your eyes if you want. You'll use a little small detailed brush like this. I'm just going to put a little bit. I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And put that in the inner tear duct. Right up here. And then when you choose this color, it's always best to choose a brighter color than your lid, so that it stands out and it pops. So I am gonna put some falsies on. I'm gonna put my Fox lashes on. These are in the style Aria. I mentioned these before. I will link their Instagram down below so you guys can check them out. I adore these lashes. I need to get more. But I'm gonna pop these on and I will be right back. All right, so I'm back with my lashes and I'm gonna go ahead and put some blush on. And then I'm gonna spray my face with my favorite Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. I'm gonna use a highlighter I haven't used in a long time. This is a Makeup Revolution Vivid Bake highlighter in the color Golden Lights. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on the high bones of my cheeks. It's so pretty. You guys let me know if you ever tried the Makeup Revolution Vivid Bake highlighters. They're so pretty. You guys know I don't really do glosses like that, so I'm going to line my lips with this Rimmel London full color lip liner pencil in 018 Addiction. And I'm just going to top it with this Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in Kristen. And that is the entire look. Super easy, super simple. I hope you guys learned something today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more how-to videos, comment down below what you want me to teach and put in a tutorial for you guys. Comment that down below. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.